Okay.
Jungle.
So this is the launch Crp123 Obd2 scanner. It comes with the user's manual, main cable, USB cable, and memory card holder for data backup and software updates. This scanner can read and reset trouble codes as well as read and record data streams for ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine. This unit is powered by the vehicle's battery, but by using a USB and memory card, you can access data you may have recorded earlier. Once the unit is powered on, you can head on over to the settings where you can change the language, unit of measure, sound beeper, and enter the record mode. The 16-pin data cable connects to the top of the unit where it can then be screwed into place. This unit allows you to retrieve generic and manufacturer-specific codes, current, permanent, and pending. View freeze frame data and IM readiness monitor status, graph, record, and replay data in full color. Now let's go put it to use. This F-150 is throwing multiple trouble codes. It has loss of compression due to a cracked head and needs a new engine. So let's go check it out. Locate the data link connector below the steering wheel, and when prompted, go to the diagnostic option and press the OK button twice. Entering system process begins. It's telling us the malfunction indicator lamp or check engine light is on, and there are 5 diagnostic trouble codes detected in this ECU. You want to press the OK button, then read the codes. And as you can see, there's an assortment of different problems going on with this thing. To erase the codes, press the escape button, go to erase codes, and then press OK. Make sure the ignition is on with the engine off. Press OK, and your check engine light will be clear. Now let's take it to data stream from this Nissan NV2500. Plug it into the vehicle and hit the scan option. This diagnostic process will be on a Nissan. Then press the automatic, let that load up. Now we can access the engine, automatic transmission, ABS, and airbag system for diagnosis. Since we don't have an issue with these systems, we'll go to the engine. And since the vehicle is running, we'll read the current data from the main signals. And as you can see, it gives you a variety of information on different systems that you can use for diagnostic purposes. Now, I didn't buy this scanner myself. It was sent to me, but it retails online for around $150. This is a decent scan tool for the money, function-wise. But my biggest issue with this unit is the sluggish reaction time. When you press a button, it takes a second for something to happen on the screen, and that can be annoying. So until next time, y'all stay tuned.